गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स, कैसे आप लोग। आज बहुत ही स्पेशल डे है बिकॉज आज है BMW का GS ट्रॉफी क्वालिफाइंग ग्राउंड फॉर नॉर्थ इंडिया। We all are going there right now. I am with a friend who is riding just behind me. Our meeting point today is Throttle Shortle near Leopard Trail in Gurgaon. That's where we all are heading to right now. In my previous video, I explained you what all I can expect from this GS trophy. थोड़ा बहुत मैंने आपको प्रैक्टिस भी करके दिखाया था उसमें। कल BMW Lutyens Motors ने एक छोटा सा गेट टुगेदर भी रखा था for all the riders who are participating in this event. Let me just quickly share a quick glimpse of that event with you, and then I will hit directly to the venue. Just take a look at the party that happened yesterday.
Thank you so much for joining. I'm Shahnawaz Karim and I would like to welcome you all. Drink responsibly because tomorrow you are going to ride. Tomorrow it would be a mix of three things. Please remember: endurance, skill and teamwork. Okay? So please remember this and enjoy the night. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow.
So we have almost reached the venue. That's where the event is happening. Cafe Leopard Trail GS Trophy 2022 Qualifier India. Good morning.
Morning, how are you?
कैसे लगानी है?
इधर ही लगाओ, मेरे पास।
Good morning everyone.
Morning.
मैं दिल्ली का तो जोश ही नहीं है। बिल्कुल नहीं है।
मुंबई चले?
Okay. Once again थोड़ा सा जोश के साथ में। Good morning everyone.
Good morning.
Okay, so thank you so much everyone for coming over here at the GS Trophy India Qualifier. I understand this community is the core community which is showcasing GS everywhere across India, right? Not just GS but overall BMW Motorrad ka brand. This is the community which is showcasing. Okay, so big round of applause for everyone. Safety is utmost priority. No one will hop on the motorcycle without helmet. We are going to judge you on three things. What are those? Endurance, skill and teamwork. वो तो मैं जीत गया उन looks में. After this, I will do a track walkthrough. There are total 13 exercises. Please remember the flow of the course. We will be judging you on three important aspects. Dab. Second, line touch. Third, cone drop. These are the first three things. There are two more things. One is bike fall. Then there is did not finish. You entered, but you did not exit from the exit area. Okay? So I will be judging all of that. The first exercise is the endurance exercise that we are going to do after the track walk.
3.5 go. 3.5 तो रहेगा।
Then you enter. What will you do? Come over here. Turn around. Okay. What is the next exercise? Garage. Okay. So you enter from here. Go outside. Inside. You will be judged. अंदर में आपको बाइक लाना है, बाइक से उतरना है, बाइक ऑन होनी चाहिए, साइड स्टैंड नहीं लगा होना चाहिए, एंड यू नीड टू टेक वन फुल सर्कल अराउंड द मोटरसाइकिल.
Both hands, one hand.
ओनली वन हैंड. आपको एक हाथ डिसाइड करना है, ये नहीं होना चाहिए. Which exercise is this?
Slow race.
Slow race. कुछ नहीं है. As soon as your front tire crosses that line, आपका timer start हो गया. You enter and take a left U-turn. Left U-turn. Left U-turn मतलब right वाली side से आप enter करोगे. सिर्फ U-turn लेना. बस U-turn लेना. You need to park your motorcycle with your side stand inside this.
So the qualifiers have started now. The first group is going for the endurance test right now. Once the endurance test is done, then the exercises will start. Yeah, so far everything has been good. The briefing was very nice. Let's see what happens now.
Okay, we'll start in 3, 2, 1, go! Sorry. 2, 1, go! Go, go, go! Go, go, go!
Good one. Go on, push. Strength लगा के साथ में थोड़ा.
Okay, so we are starting in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Well done. Go, 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 go!
कैसा था? Okay, so the endurance part is now done. बहुत मज़ा आया endurance वाले में. Now the next part would be these exercises that we'll try in just a little while now. But it was a lot of fun. Endurance was not easy, very very tough. पर करने में बहुत मज़ा आया.
Good job. सही. उड़ा दे, मिट्टी उड़ा दे.
लेटाओ. Good job. Bike starter. Neutral पे करना. And your body can't touch the bike. लंबा कट. Excellent. Perfect. Very good.
Very good. टाइम लगेगा 2 मिनट।
चलो कूल, सी यू। ओके, टाइम टू गो फ्रॉम हियर। दिस इज वेयर वी वर डूइंग ऑल आवर exercises. I think it was a wonderful day. Garage was very tough. किसी से नहीं हुआ garage. Rest everything was still not that tough. But this garage was one of the most biggest challenge for all of us. चलो घर निकलते हैं। बहुत अच्छा दिन था। मैंने आपको वीडियो में कुछ glimpses दिखाए of what we have done. Not so much of talking because यहाँ पे आप while you're doing this event it's not easy to also record and talk and create a vlog. Priority was not to make a vlog. My priority was to make sure that I'm able to do these exercises in a good way. Entire day was full of fun, a lot of learning. We met a lot of good people, a lot of good riders. I also met Jason Paji from JS Films. His bike was looking amazing. He also did all these exercises just like us. So all in all, great day, a lot of fun, a lot of adventure. After all the qualification rounds are done, then finally BMW India will choose 25 riders and there will be a India level qualification round between these 25 top riders. Those 25 riders will then fight against each other, and from there 3 people will again get shortlisted and they will go and represent India in the International GS Trophy next year 2022. मैं अगर अपना एक्सपीरियंस बताऊँ तो I don't think I did a great job. For me, this was the first GS experience. I am not 100% sure if I did a good job, but that wasn't the objective for me. I just wanted to have fun, try it out. यार देखो, try करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. अगर try करोगे तो आज नहीं तो कल आप अच्छा करोगे. So that's what I did. I came here for fun, for learning, for meeting new people, making new friends, getting connected with the riding community. So that was the best part about today. अगर वीडियो पसंद आया दोस्तों तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक करिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए, एंड आई विल सी यू वेरी सून इन अ न्यू व्लॉग. Until then, keep riding and stay safe. Bye.